Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your Duet layout. So press the share button over here, like on a video, and press Duet. Then you are just going to press on the layout button over here. So press the layout button. And then you can either have this one, which is like left and right, and you can press switch to be on the right side of the screen. You also have green screen, reaction, and the top and the bottom. You can also press switch, so like your video will be on the top and instead of the bottom. I'm not going to show green screen because it'll flip the camera, but that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!